Hi everybody, my name is Munna. In this video, I will teach you how to onboard your client. I especially give example of SMA agency where I make a whole workflow of that and giving specific example of that. Also teach you how to use AI in your workflow and just enabling to your staff a more advanced thing that you'll be better able to just convert your client. If you think this is for you and this is your work you're looking for, stay tuned in this video and just we make a wonder in that. Let's go to my workplace. Let's do. Now this is the simple system I built first to show how we going to do it. This is simple you like it. What is happened we just after we getting a Typeform response, we just have everything set up in that. We just client also book the meeting in there and we just list everything from Typeform and Calendly and this for module for just joining link and we just set everything in Airtable. I just show my Airtable right now. Airtable. Onboarding stuff. Yeah. No. See, we can get various data from that. What you needed. So I just run this first and just see this system working or not. Let's see it. Now, you can see the each system working perfectly and just we get another employee. Yeah, here we get. Just missed it and see that. Yeah, we get another entry where we get the name, the client email, the booking link or the joining link of meeting that we just click and just switch our staff will just join the meeting whenever it happens. Also, let's cancel it for a while. When it the meeting book, also the client's social media, the date of when they are on board, their all social media link, their company. I just especially told you that we just do for this SMA particularly because I just tell you how to just make it custom, not a generic. So I just try to make this video as customized as possible. So I just pick up the SMA agency for a while and this we just take every profile inside every their company LinkedIn, Instagram, YouTube and TikTok and whatever we needed. But for sake I just give my solo link of LinkedIn for that, but now we can grab this link also. Now see this system is working. What we do is that just going to the Whimsical part. Content. There is all list. So there is we just do these things. Just in ClickUp we just using the Airtable right now. So we just after intaking form we just add everything in the ClickUp in Airtable and just also send the message to the client. Also we just scrape their profile, also make AI custom report also for their all social media. We just scrape through Phantom Luster and use Mind Studio for just analyzing and making a report. Also we just update status and also report our staff, also give the personalized messages to in there for in different interval. So that's stuff we're doing. There's a lot of stuff we can do after that, but for the beginning we just do this stuff. So for that, now after this is that, now we just have a step. We just build a form in Typeform. Now go to Typeform and just build this form. And also show what I built previously. Type. Now, it is a very simple form. We just getting their contact info. We also asking just keep their social media profile, any profile who is joining the link. Also, we just ask some question about the company social media link, so we we know what we are doing right. Just we know, just telling that what know analyze here that media social media, and okay, so we have a context of during the meeting. We just ask for Instagram, LinkedIn, YouTube, TikTok, whatever we needed, and just we ask a simple line question that what are the problem they are, just explain the problem. And also at the last, a calendar link where we book a meeting. We just say to book the meeting. There's a calendar link. So there is simple form but very informative, because we have doing every step in confined, because everything I just see the people are just make a long form when client is just frustrated to fill of it. Just give us little form that important information, because after we just book the meeting we just have time to ask the question, and that's more natural, because client also, okay, this client also have to prepare for that. Now let's go to build this form again, and just I to don't worry, I just build from scratch. You have to know nothing about it. I just tell you how to build everything from scratch. Let's go it. Now also this. Let's go this back for a while. My workspace. Okay, just go. Now let's create a form again. Now form we just create from scratch. Also they are available to create with AI, but we use first from the scratch. Now we're not in install. Now let's go for a contact info. Just as a form, we just create a contact info and just put their name. What's your name? Just name. Just right. Just for know you better. Just writing a simple question or not different. And we just update the content after we make this form. Now just add another content. Just add a content. Now after that, what we ask, we just ask their social profile link, because we need what they are doing. So we just have the URL link. This is called website. Just click the thing. Just click your social media profile. So we you better, and so we know you better. It's simple. It's not a fancy word. We can just improve this content through using ChatGPT, but it's very decent. Just give your social media profile. I should just encourage you, just use this language little bit informal, just not be too formal, because people are just be cringy about it being formal. Now after getting a social media link, now I need another thing. That is their company URLs. So we're just using the that is called the multiple question asks question group question asks group question asks. Now ask your profiles. Now, now for one question, second question, what we just asked. Okay, just say this LinkedIn profile. Okay, I guess I just skipped the wrong item. So just get a multiple question page. Yeah. Sorry. Give your also come doing now. I need just delete this form because said what I just tell you that you need the content at multiple questions page, not a question or scroll. That means there's different thing that question group means just one another one. Just click one question, then go another question, then another. But in multiple question page, just list the multiple question in one page. So I need that because it made more appealing and navigating also. So this link then profile add another need Instagram profile, just duplicate it. Need YouTube fine, and then we need duplicate again. There TikTok. It's also being famous. TikTok. Now after that, how is this look? Nah, that's likely I like this. And also we ask their company URL and just tell you why we ask that. We do very fun thing by using AI also. Now I just add a content, just ask a short question, not too long. No. Sorry for that, I did not need. And I just need this here. Yeah. Now we ask from it, tell us what you are looking for. It help us to prepare to make custom plan customize plan for you in meeting. That's what we're looking for. Then we are just another question, and just we not ask the question, we just set a booking link. Before you should authenticate yourself. Just authenticate and this successfully happen. And there's a various type of event in Calendly. I'll just show you just Calendly first. Then you just Calendly. Just log in it. So Calendly is a platform where you can just book meetings, and it's a very good platform because we just know everything. We just ask the question also in Calendly. Also, there is a multiple thing you can do in Calendly. Just know when is happening, booking link. Also, just connect Google Meeting directly. Also know the schedules of things. Also, with the reminders that not your things. So just go here and just create an event. Just create an event type and just create an event and just create one and just one to one host or one to group and just make and just you just watch a one to video and you can know. And after you knowing that, you can know you all the meeting you are listing just active just show in this form. So there's nothing rocket science. This so this all the only thing only one event is active. This is uncover here, uncover how AI can elevate your business. So that is showing on this. Just choose this and we want to save the email details. Yes. This okay, just save it. Now successfully connect your calendar link. Uh, let's a nice talk how we may help you. Just no description for that. And just you can just add their first name for name and their email for direct here. For yeah, and this cute, create and publish. So now we're ready to create this form. Yes, copy the link and just see it. Yeah, we just successfully create our link. Yeah, social media, Instagram profile, what it's looking for, and have a nice chart. No, this all thing is working. Yeah, pretty decently. Now, after creating that, we just go to Airtable and just create another thing. Just replicate this whole table and just do such stuff. So I just tell you what we just so name, client email ID, booking link, meeting dates where the meeting happened, the steps who the assignee should be, also the status to do progress on there. We don't need this also, and also the event, also their personal social media account, their onboarding date when they onboard the date. We also need that for the follow up. Also their LinkedIn, their Instagram of their company, and everything we need it. So we're just creating the same table. We just create another table from that. Okay. Add Airtable base and from scratch. Now we just name this onboarding on BOR. So there is no complicating thing. Just tell you, just you have to go the back base. Just have to create a one from start from scratch, and there's a base created, and just you have to go in and just there's a table format. We just use. So just I have already make a table, but so I just not using this. I'm building everything from scratch, so you get better understanding of it. So I just build from scratch. I have not have take no worries about what to where to build. You have no. I just build from everything from scratch. Now we need names, we need node, we not need this field. Just delete the field, we not need it. Status also we don't need this field. Yeah. The one thing we need is email. You have to just click this and just search the field. It's called email. Search, you get email. And in this table, you just write what you put the name of it. Just put this client email. Just create a field. Now for link, you have to URL for link. Just click URL and just what you just click this and then is meeting joining meeting joining link to meeting link. I just meeting link, it's too long. Now meeting link. Now we just get their email ID, their meeting link. Also we need what is called what they tell the problem, what things that their name, first name, last name. Also we need their first name and last name. So name, not name, we just got text, a single line text. Just call their first name, because we have to use it for multiple time. Name, just create it. Their last name, and now we just create this. Now email ID also, this also completed. Now we just have to kill URL. Just see this losing everything else. Now we have to create a step, meeting date also, and also this. Okay, now we have to just create a steps, meeting date, event, and the social media link. So first we just drop down. You just have to just drop and just create a multi-select, a single select. We just create a single select. The difference between multi-select and single select, that in single select you have just ability to choose one, and multi-select you can choose 2-3 items. This is just like working as a tag, but we don't need that. No, in this step what we do is that we just got this step, we just we just know, and this particular thing what we know that where our client is, this meeting book, do we send a proposal, or we win or we lose. We just define the step, the phases of client. What is that meeting book, because we just directly pick the meeting book. Second is proposal send, and proposal so waiting, and then is win for every client, every agency, and lose nothing. Now we get another drop down menu that is essential. We just call the we just call single select, called event. That, and this is particularly doing for that. In the meeting, in previous video I just told you how the sales cycle work. This is a sales cycle. After meeting book, there's a three option will happen. Three. There's the client show up. The client show up and it's valid. And the client doesn't show up. There's two things. The client show up, we do the meeting. The client don't show up, we just give the follow-up meeting for again. Send follow-ups, emails, and that. If the client show up, there is also three things happens in that. That is fit, the misfit, or never fit. That the client fit and we send a proposal. The client does a misfit means that the client needs something, but we just we don't have any product and solution that to send him, or they are not willing to do right now because something reason, budget or thing. And the last is never fit, means that they never want to do business with us. That also just countering everything is that as an event. So just show up and no show up, and then we just add fit, misfit, misfit, never fit, fit. And also then after we send proposal, we also get proposal unsigned. Unsigned. Now this thing that happened, and this thing we just trigger a automation. If there is no swap, we just trigger another automation where we send the follow-up emails to the client again and again. So we just hack up it. So for that we just create this, and just we call event and just create it. Now we're pretty much done about it. Now just go to URL, and yes, URL. Sorry for that. URL and just call SMMA personal social media. Just write in code word, and also URL. So we got organization LinkedIn. Instagram. And there is also organization YouTube. Lot of company that's going to YouTube because YouTube will be one of the probably most organic growth platform, because people just connect to YouTube. Instagram is well known for discoverability, but YouTube is for more about connection. People just feel connect in YouTube. And then there's TikTok, the viral platforms. Yeah. URL. Now we just create it. Now we need something that need client email ID here, we need meeting ID here. Now also need the dates. Now meeting date. Now date. And it's onboarding date. Onboarding date. This DAT date. Yeah. Need this after meeting link, and we also need onboarding link. And where? Yeah. Might onboarding it little bit here, and also put step also assignee, and that's all. Next step, assignee, onboarding date, first time, last time, we just for only for need for automating. So we just grab this name also there, but this is more useful in later on automation. So we just need that events, and this is for our data storing. Okay. Now we have created everything that needed. Now going to our make.com. So we just save this platform, save this script. Now go back. Now this is where now just creating the another one, and this one I just call on onboarding system. Now in the make.com, if first there is a trigger, we have to know what's trigger, when the workflow should be run. So this trigger means that what happened, then this system should be run. So the trigger is simple. What is the first instance of our system? in that whenever a form is filled up, we just run this everything because there is a type form. Whenever this type form anybody fill up, we need the system run. So we need that. This is our trigger. We just type the type form here. There's app here, and so go and just use the watch response. Just connect this through our webhook. Pretty form, new form. This is the name of form, and save it. Also, we just use the list, get response list. Just get the form ID and a list of 1. For testing purpose, we just limiting it to 1. After that, we just watch the response and list them. We need Calendly, and this Calendly for list the event type, list the event. What map? We just API of this and this. Use only one for this, and also sort it through descending. And after that, also we need the answer up there, so we also need the list of invitees. So we also leave this, just map it to a URL. Yeah, there is a URL needed. Now just pretty much set up the list of Calendly and list of invitees. For this list, we just list the event that happening. This event called, this is called events. In this, everything this called event, and this called invitees who is just attaining this. This is only single event, so it is only single invitees, me and my invitees. And now just click the Airtable and just go to just create a record. Just create a record, not anything else. Create a record, just connect it, just connect your base. What happened? Oh, okay, just yeah. And just connect your table. So with this next table, you see that we have 2 tables here. This one is table 1 is onboarding, just we connect from onboarding, and we have the form that should fill up. So for that, just creating it, just create it. No. So we just not using everything, we're just using these 2 things first, and just know that do we getting the form or not. Just we just run this and just fill up the form. Okay. Now this pre-fill number that I needed. Yeah. Okay. API flow. Social media link. I just put my LinkedIn account. Copy the link and just cancel it. It's a beautiful photo of mine, but I think this, yeah, just put your LinkedIn, my social media account, and for every link I just paste this for right now. I'm not going to take every profile and just be pasting right now. But you know the client paste nothing in their profile needed, so we need to grow our or can make presence and also increase our brand value va- values. Okay, this thing which is triggering on it. Yeah, okay, this scenario running. So we create this. Now we just book the meeting, anything, just like this. 6 p.m. next. This name is fill up, we just for branding and for building application for business. For social media link, just again I push this. I just create this one, we just wrap up it because I just created it for it, but we not need to ask that. Just follow. And we schedule a link event. And voila. Now our form is submitted. Let's see, do we just grab or not? Yeah, we said we just grab everything out from here. Our answer and thing. So before you just ask me why I just create this little list response, because I now I'm telling you why I just create this list response module where we have already the vast response, because after that I'm not going to fill the form again it. I just only just list the form that already filled and just use that data for output, because we're just testing it for 15 and 15 times, and every time it's not possible to just go to and fill the form. So we're just listing the result. So we just get every information that needed, name, text, our URL, and everything. Just disconnecting this and just putting the instant module there. Now connect. So this list one. No. And we just create invitees. Yeah, this also happening, it's working good. Now let's map all the variable that we needed from here. For name, we just write the name, little comma, and the full name of the client. For email, there is an email. Yes, we just snap the email. Here is the email section, we just map the email. Join link, we just go to Calendly. For notness, for meeting date, we just go Calendly. First step, we doesn't map it, we just say this meeting book. ID assignee, we just not. Onboarding date, we just grab from this when this created, submitted date. And first name, we just grab their first name. Last name, we just grab their last name. Event, just, and there is no event, no, there's a the profile link, just grab their profile link, what they put. So one is their personal profile link, second is their organization LinkedIn, third is their Instagram. I think I just ruined something, just get it out. It's a 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, we just need to paste this on sequentially because we just put this on like that. The third, fourth, and this is the fifth. Yeah, I also create one of the section for their query also. I think so. I should create it like that. So we will just create it. Okay, for now we just not just go and just create their problem statement also. Client statement is client statement. This long text. Now we just unconnect and just reconnect it and just happen everything fine. We can just delete this file again and just make it once again, so I just get the data that I needed. and this onboarding stuff, and I need table is onboarding, and yeah, we also get a client statement. Now we just fill up once again, so no problem, nothing problem, just fill just client email, need a meeting link, so we just get from that stuff. We doesn't map it, we just tell that meeting book, onboarding date, we just have the submit date, this first name we just grab there, first name, last name we just last name, event form we just grab their event, PM just we grab from there, URL, person event ID, just third is Instagram, fourth is YouTube, fifth is TikTok, and client statement we just create client statement. After this line we just unlink this product and we just run this once again and just see. Invalid reference log and okay. For that we just yeah, directly from the form ID here. Okay. Now this is no issue. Let's create a link. Yeah. Now from this we just get the joining link that we needed. Yeah. Instead we just booked in 1st of December for 8th of December, and this is the meeting joining link. Because on this link we just click it and just go to the meeting. So we just click it, just paste it. Now we just client just joined it, or just employee just join it. Okay, that's we need. And the meeting date what happened when the meeting started, 8th of this, so this time. So we just need two things, just connect it again. The meeting link we just use the joining link. Yeah, and meeting date we just start the start date, start time. We can also format it, but now we're just formatting it for, and also we just why we just put this link or this module, because you also just, if you just want for the answer from that, you also grab from this. For that we need to list the invitees information for this answer. So for this purpose we don't need this information, but I just show how if you need just make a form also in Calendly. If you need that information, just grab like this. Now after that we just create a Slack message to myself that anybody is coming, or we just create a Slack message for your team that somebody is come and just attend him the information that needed manually from the list or the channel automation. And now this is that you have to we have to join the client name. What is his name? Let's go for there. Now we're just not getting for reference from this, we're just getting every reference from our from this name. We're just getting dividing the from first name in first name in on this date. We just create a date, meeting date, and just get teaching late, and this is joining link. This will just give the meeting link. Now pretty well just create everything. Now again we just run it, and I just show you that I'll just fill everything right now. It's empty. Also I open a Slack message so we just better understanding just I get a message or not. My work done. I think this is my work done. Yeah, pretty much excited about my. Okay, this is a. Yeah. Okay, that's I just tested before. We just needed. Yeah. In Google Meeting, and here is joining. You have to attain Mr. and Mrs. Okay. Yeah, I just write pretty good in English here. Okay. Right now, I just once again I just make something at work. Yeah. We have to join the client name this on this date, and this is the joining link. Okay, this is also perfect. Not to do. No, just run the whole thing and just see is the system working or not. Yeah, system is working. Let's see. Yeah, we get all the information we needed. What happened? Just sign on this. Be patient, little bit. Sometimes happens. Yeah, we can also just put our time. We just also see our Slack message. Okay. Now you can also have this. You have to join the client name on this date on this 2008. This is a joining link and test edited. Real time Google Meet and user wow. Now we have it everything we need. And also see that we have all the links, all the joining links, meeting, also filter, meeting book, and that stuff also. Now this is what we do now. I also told you how to just connect AI. So there is a video. I just put the video on. There is a video. Yeah. Yeah, where do you have going to now? Yeah. Now see. Here is a video. Yeah. Automate a client, not project invoice, not this is also not. Yeah, this is. Yeah, here is a video. I just explain the whole thing in detail, but I just go through for it generally for that for now. What we do is that for that use Phantom Buster. So what we do, we use the Phantom Buster right now. And we use Phantom Buster module and just put all our links. This our LinkedIn link, Instagram link, and just scrape a data. And after scraping a data, we use another thing that called Mind Studio. We use also Mind Studio, that's the AI app, and we just make a summary of their point. Their organization, what did happen, we scrape their studio AI. Yeah. And we just create a AI agent in Mind Studio and just make a whole summary of their Instagram, their YouTube, their TikTok, analyzing their caption, their video, their image, and after analyzing everything, we just make a report and just send our stuff that okay, this is client have this, that they are doing this, they are the best popular video, they to post how much time, this is their post, and just analyze everything with Mind Studio. After analyzing their images, their text, and just we send the report to the client. Just put the link of Phantom Buster here in between here. Fan Buster, and just lost the Phantom. And after we launching that, and we just scrape everything to the Mind Studio. Just create Mind Studio and just run the app. And after getting report, we just send again to the Slack, and this whole thing we can do. And this ultimate AI result create a report that the client give the staff, and you see that how it more effective that if your staff go just saying that just analyze your whole company, that you are, this is the issue, what is you're doing, this is having a problem, what do you write, they will just be surprised and mesmerized of how much detail they work. But this only system, we just they'll stop doing nothing, just create a whole thing that for them, and this will instantly thing. Yeah. Now I think this video helped you a lot. And just think, if you have any question, just ask in the description, just comment on it. And if you have any system you want to make it with me, just approach me also. And also that if you have any system you are struggling to figure out what to make, just send a comment, just say that we need I'm just struggling with it, and just comment it, and I just go as quickly as just possibly. I just go the comment, see your comment, analyze it. If I just know the solution, I just say in the comment. If that need a video, I just record a video. For that, have a good day. Bye. Have a nice weekend.